Lost again, going back around, dreaming of a time when I get things right. Lost in the shadows of a million stars, shouldn't be in line of mine near and far. Shouldn't be at all, just tell me where you are. Send a prayer if I'm out of luck. Send a little love and I'll make it back. Send me a letter and a bottle of wine, telling me I will be fine. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home. Halfway hard, halfway hard.
Right then folks, welcome to what is now a grey and miserable Norfolk, but as you'll see from the footage it was quite a sunny, nice Norfolk.
Yeah, it's been a lovely few days, isn't it?
It has, but when we come to filming there's two things that are going wrong. The cat won't settle and the weather's turned, so apologies if this video is a bit choppy because she's on the bed up there. She's been doing so well, but all of a sudden the minute we get the camera out, much like AJ, she's like, no, pay attention to me.
Yeah, and she's like, I want to go for a walk. Take me for a walk now. And I'm like, no, Summer, you need to settle down.
Yet another demanding female in this van. Well, you're the other one.
Obviously.
But no, she's been doing really well, hasn't she? She's taken to settling herself on the captain's seat, so I now can't sit down. And apart from that, she likes to, she sort of comes in and out as she pleases. She spooks a little bit at noises, doesn't she?
Yeah, but what is a good thing is when she gets spooked, she's running into the van, so she knows that this is her safe place. So that's the main thing that we want, is at her to come in here, not dart off somewhere else.
Yeah, the main goal is to get her off the lead at some point, but we anticipate it's going to take quite a few months, if not longer, for us to A, risk it, and B, for her to do it, because she would wander off a little bit, I think, because when she goes off on the lead, you've been walking quite far with her, haven't you?
Yeah, she does like to wander and stuff, and we have got a tracker for her. It's meant to be a GPS tracker. It doesn't get any signal here,
it's not working very well, is it?
No, we're going to try that out in a few different places to see if it's just we're in some sort of like black hole or something here, but yeah, it's a really good GPS tracker.
We're getting a lot of questions about how she's getting on over on Instagram. We will document it in our normal vlogs, but Emily is starting to compile enough footage to put one big, like, special 10-minute cat training video together, but that'll be when it's finished, so in a few months hopefully, if not a year or two.
Yeah, and I am putting like regular updates on Instagram and that as well, just to kind of like, because I know that there's some people on here and some people over there, so that don't mix. But yeah, so I am putting it on here, there, and even some on TikTok. So.
TikTok's a thing. Another question we're getting a lot of is all about AJ. When we went to the show a couple of weeks ago, the Adventure Overland show, which we have to say a massive thank you to everybody that come and say hello. It was a really good show, wasn't it?
It really was, yeah. It was so nice to actually put some faces to people that we've spoken to and to people that comment and stuff like that. So yeah, it was really good.
But yeah, one of the big questions we got was, AJ, how is he doing? He's very, very much on the mend. He can get in and out the van. He can go for walks up to about half an hour a couple of times a day.
Yeah.
But, and the reason our van life is still very much on hold at the minute is because he needs to have
hydrotherapy.
Twice a week, every week, for the next, like, 10 weeks or something? 8 weeks?
8 weeks.
And then he goes to once a week for a few more weeks after that. So, realistically, we're not getting out of the country. One, we've not had 2 jabs, and 2, AJ's health comes first. And as much as we want to hit the road and go on a long trip, we need to be local so that we can keep bringing him back for
But I feel that that's not a bad thing, because obviously we're getting him better, but we're also having the time to train Summer in the UK rather than, hopefully not, touch wood, losing her abroad.
Yeah,
So,
and we're also very much adapting to our new routine because someone is now fully remote.
ha-ha, that be me. And I am super, stop, this is my time. I am super excited about that. And it's been the first week, it's Thursday. And so far, so good. Again, touch wood. But it's, right, stop being a knob.
It's your time.
It's been really good, and yeah, it's just getting into a new routine with me working part-time, having both of them in the van. Louise obviously getting on my nerves, but that's just standard. But yeah, so far so good, and loving life. What are you doing? You're so rude!
No, hold on. You're going to like this. Right, you're going to need to open that.
What for?
We are celebrating.
Ooh, what are we celebrating? Wait a minute, let me, because I'm not just opening stuff for the sake of it. What are we celebrating?
Remember how when we decided we'd take this YouTube lark seriously?
Did we? Did we
Yeah.
ever decide that?
And I said, we'll be able to tell when we've really, really made it because a certain sponsor will get in touch.
Yeah.
Well, they've been in touch.
Shut up!
They have.
Who? Let's crack this baby open.
So this video is sponsored by Skillshare.
Come on, baby! Woohoo! Skillshare!
So if you haven't heard of Skillshare before, they're a huge online learning community with a massive range of classes for creative people. There's literally hundreds of classes covering all sorts of topics, from productivity to creative writing to animation, to name but a few. It's probably obvious to everyone that I particularly enjoy the photography courses, and at the moment I'm doing Instagram worthy photography by Brandon Warfel. It's a fantastic course and is really helping us up our Instagram game.
So for me, I'm enjoying Creative Writing for All, a 10-day journaling challenge. I'm hoping that's really going to help with my blog post for when we're back on the road. When you do take a class with Skillshare, it's totally based around learning. There's no ads, so you can properly focus on developing your creative skills.
It's for hobbyists and pros alike, so whether you're looking to learn a completely new skill or pick up one you perhaps started years ago, then do give Skillshare a go. The first 1,000 of our subscribers that click the link in the video description below will get 1 month free trial of Skillshare.
So if you want to get those creative juices flowing, go and check it out. Cheers!
So one other thing we wanted to quickly mention is we are going to be at the...
VanLife Eats a big picnic.
which is in...
As the end of August. I think it's the 28th and 29th, so it's the Saturday and the Sunday. And we will be doing a talk.
We don't know how that's going to go, so if you do find yourself at the VanLife Eats Big Picnic, stay away from that talk.
Because we just waffle.
As you can tell, we waffle a lot. But yeah, we're going to be there. It's a camping event, 2 nights camping, isn't it?
Yes, it is,
I don't
yeah.
know if they're doing day tickets, but I believe tickets are selling out fast, so go and check that out.
They are, and they've got some really good lineups with some live music, some other workshops, and it just seems like it's going to be a really nice, chilled, van lifey weekend, and we are super stoked for it.
Yeah, and there's an Omnia cooking class, so obviously I'm going to avoid that like the plague.
Take a cookbook.
Yeah, so we're going to be there. But are you doing a 2-minute tour while we're at this campsite?
I don't know if I've got time.
Have you got time to go now?
It's raining!
Go!
Right, 2-minute tour coming your way. So, let's try and go down to the entrance. We're staying at Sycamore Park, which is in Norfolk near Dunwich, I think. So, it's a really nice campsite. It's £20 a night with electric hookup. They've only got half capacity at the moment due to COVID, which is great. But this, guys, is the entrance. Oh, come on. Every time. How cool is this little reception area? Loving life. This is the gents' showers, toilets, wash up area, showers showing in there. Oh, it's quite cool, right, isn't it? Yep. Toilet is vacant. Toilet. Boom. I actually think that we could do this in 2 minutes because it's a really small site. But I'm going to carry on running. I'm going to show you a few pictures. So, for the pictures that can't be used, they've got these cones on them so that they stay. Oh my god. Oh. So yeah, so they stay vacant and stuff. Surrounded by loads of lovely trees, which is really nice. There is a public footpath out that you can walk the dogs and stuff, but not loads around here. I believe that you do need to get out and drive or have some sort of bike. But as well, how cool is this like little tree? Oh, they've got a picnic area I didn't show you. Never mind, they've got a picnic area. It's really no, I was getting it in 2 minutes. Oh god. I'm not gonna get it in 2 minutes now, am I? I reckon she's done that on purpose. Right, let's go.
Oh, I do love watching her run to do her 2-minute tours, and everyone else's reaction on the site, and the fact that it's drizzly always makes it a little bit more entertaining. But if you are a big fan of the 2-minute tours, show Emily some love, give her a like in this video, smash the thumbs up for her, because she is a champion, she always puts the effort in. I think it hurts her legs a little bit as well.
Oh, picnic area, it's lovely, isn't it? Little bench, and then some leaflets and stuff like that here. So yeah, lovely campsite. You just need to leave your money in the pot. Like I say, £20 a night, get you a cook up on grass and gravel ones and that as well. Pictures are really nice size, quite big, lovely. It was going to be in 2 minutes, but that cow bag has put me over. 2-minute tour, done.
Have you 2-minute tour?
That's what just said.
Have you done a proper 2-minute tour, or is it 45-minute tour?
Wait a minute. Yeah.
And on that note, guys, I think we're going to start to end the video here. But before you go, if you like all the mammoth B-roll wildlife footage that you saw at the start, we did manage to spend a couple of days last week, or the week before last, down in the New Forest. We didn't film anything because it was literally as you finished, you was just finishing up work and you was really, really busy. So
I'm still catching my breath.
There's a whole lot of wildlife footage that I've got from there, so I'm going to drop it in now. And Emily's done like this weird spoken writing bit over the top of how she was feeling at the time, and I do apologise because it's all going a bit woke.
Woke alert, woke alert, woke alert.
But I promise this will be the only bit of wokey stuff you'll see from us this year. Maybe once a year I'll let you put a bit in.
Thanks.
A bit of woke feel good stuff is coming now, and we will see you hopefully on the road, sort of, in a few weeks' time.
Bye.